Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So from title, you guys know today we are going to talk about the Van Cleef earring, the one I have it in the sweet size. So I purchased this earring 3 months ago, and after I wear that, I want to share with you the user experience, whether I recommend it or not. The most important thing is before I purchased this one, I did watch some videos. However, no one mentioned anything about the negative side of this earring. And I feel there are 3 biggest cons for this pair of the earring. So that's why I want to do the video to show you guys how I feel, what is really bothers me of this earring. I hope you watch this video if you are thinking to buying this. At least you have some idea what problem you will have it for this pair of the earring. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So before this video, I also want to share with you the Rose Forever. They sent me a beautiful rose at my birthday month. So thank you so much, Rose Forever. I really appreciate it. It is so beautiful, beautiful rose. This is a long-lasting rose made with 100% natural fresh flower preserved with the natural oil. This company, they constantly launch new collections. They can design the style according to your wishes and needs. So the option is endless when it comes to choose a rose color that can fit any occasion and style. So the one I pick is the Blue Rose from Crystal Collection. It comes with this package. It also has the storage container. You can store your accessories or makeup. So I store my lipstick inside. How cute it is. I love this one. It looks so beautiful, and also it smells so good because it's preserved. So you don't need to do anything. You just display it at your home in anywhere you want. And I also will link their website in my description box, including my coupon code. I hope you guys can check their website, see which style you love. They do come a lot of style. So now let's move to the earring. I will turn the camera in other way so you can see more clearly. So here are the earring, and it is the small size, which is a sweet size, and this is the back. So you can see back is very secure, and every time when you need to take it off or put it on, you have to squeeze the both sides. So this is the part. These two sides is a stick out. So every time you need to put on or take off, you need to squeeze that two sides, and then you can just poke in like that. The first con for this earring is this back. Now I don't know if it is me or someone else had the same experience. I feel it is extremely difficult. Put it on is okay, but to take off is so difficult. I know this bag is very secure because you can see they have the 2 level. It's pretty safe. When you put it in here, it's stuck there, then you have to squeeze and go inside. So you don't need to worry about it. It will lost, or a lot of earring back we will lost, eventually we lost the earring, but this one it won't. The design is perfect, and it's very secure. However, when you try to take it off, it's just not easy, because right now I'm easier to put on and take off because I can see the 2 sides, the squeeze side. But when I put it on in my ear, I have the difficulty because sometimes I have the wrong place because I cannot find where are the 2 sides I needed to squeeze. So that's the first con that I feel it is super difficult. The second con of this earring is the post. So the post, you can see this is pretty thick. So if I have a very small piercing, so when I poke in my ear, I do feel a little bit painful because this is very thick. It's not a very thin post. Let me compare something. So you can see this one is very thick and this one is a perfect size. I think like perfect standard size. Definitely has to do with my own piercing. My ear piercing kind of small, and I do see some people has a big piercing, so they probably don't have any problem, but for me this is another con for this one. The last one is the post again. This post is extreme short. You do see it. However, I know the Van Cleef, they do have a service. They can change the post to extend a little bit longer. So I think if you like to have a longer post, you definitely can try within 3 months of the purchase or 1 year of the purchase. You need to check it out with them if you want to do the extended post. So this is kind of another con for this earring. So basically these are the 3 cons for this pair of the earrings. So you need to think what problem will you have it if you wear this one. So lastly, I want to show you how I solved this problem. So I purchased the earring bags from Amazon. This made by plastic, and this also pretty safe. I like to use this type of the bag. It's like this, and it's such a game changer. After I purchase this one, I start to use this earring. Otherwise, I just so afraid to use it. And I do see some people bend the post because they are struggling to put on and off. So it does happen. But when you use this type of the post, it's a plastic. It doesn't look cheap, it doesn't match to the earring, but I don't really care. People don't look at your back of the ear or what bags you are using. I do use this type of the bag, and pretty safe because it's a very tight, so you don't need to worry about it. So I just want to show you this one. And if you like me struggling and so afraid to wear this one, you can try this. I also will link this one in my description box, so you can check out Amazon. It's very cheap. I think like $4 something for 200 pieces. Ever since I found this one, I purchased from Cartier earring. They all have this type of the bag. This is a very secure bag, but yeah, but I just don't like it. Lastly, I want to talk about, do I recommend this earring? What I want to say is I still love this earring, and currently I just don't use their bag. I use my own, purchased from the Amazon. It's such a game changer. It's make it so easy to put it on and take it off. Now I really don't know if this is only my problem or other people also have the same experience. Please leave a comment below if you do have the same experience. Now, do I recommend this one? I definitely recommend it if you don't mind the back. You don't think this is a very struggling, very annoying, very difficult. If you think this bag is okay with you, definitely go for it. If you think this bag will bother you, then I will ask you to rethink about it, whether you like to use your own earring bags or you just give up this pair of the earring. To myself, I still love this earring. That's why I'm still looking for another pair, which is the mother of pearl, to match with my necklace. However, the mother of pearl currently in their website still not available, so I'm still waiting for it. So once I got the mother of pearl, I will still use my own bags instead of they use their original one. So yeah, that's all about today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.